If you're building an AI app, you need to check out the latest release from Anthropic, which is Claude, and we're just going to put it through its paces now. Now, the thing to remember is that Claude 3 comes in a number of different versions, and the one that we've got freely available to us through this web interface is the one in the middle that they call Sonnet, whereas Opus, now I've been looking and following on Twitter/X, there's some really incredible things people have been achieving with Opus. Many discussions saying, is Opus better than GPT-4 from OpenAI? But let's just put Claude through its paces. So something which AI models used to struggle with is something to do with very recent data. So something as simple as what is today's date? Okay, yeah, I can confirm that is correct. Now let's ask it something else to do with dates, because yeah, these AI language models struggle with dates. So we could say, what is the date in 3 Fridays time? Okay, let's just see if that's right. Yeah, I think that's right. These are handling data like this is something that you wouldn't have been able to do even with like GPT 3.5 as recently as a few months ago. Yes, if you were using the ChatGPT web interface, then they did have some ability to handle date data. But if you were using the API, you didn't. So I'm definitely going to be recording a follow-up video where we take a look at how much of this is just part of their preview versus how much can you access through the API. And I think that you can access all of it through the API, including Claude 3 Opus, which we'll be giving a full demo to. But let's ask it something additionally challenging. Write a sonnet about no-code app development in 2024. Okay, yeah, we got some nice rhyming couplets in there, but if I'm honest, I can't remember fully what is required to make a sonnet, but that certainly looks rather impressive. So if you're building an app with AI and you want to build it with no code, then you should head to our website. There's a link down in the description, because at planetnocode.com, we've got hundreds of bubble.io tutorial videos where you can learn how to build something like this in half an hour or less. It really is quite easy to get to grips with AI APIs and building a no-code web app with Bubble. So if there's anything that you would like to see us demonstrate with Claude, or if you've got any questions, please do leave a comment. Yeah, I'm going to record a few more videos about Claude right away.